So this clip basically shows you how to sort out naked wires or bare wires, that have been left exposed, under the bonnet or hood of the car, and probably decimated or demolished, by rodents, could be cats, whatever creature, squirrels, rabbits, snakes, whatever. This happened during the COVID pandemic, where the cat was sat, for a protracted period of time, unattended to, and this was the result. So I pretty much, get, a fabric tape to sort out them looms, them wiring looms, because although we've still got the rubber, intact, you know, it's not ideal at very, very high temperatures. It should, should still be fine, but, the fabric tape provides an extra layer of insulation or protection for them wires. Modern cars are more electric, and you could start having problems with the controls, and malfunctioning of various LEDs in the car, and you don't want that, do you? So basically just wound the fabric tape around them wires, as you would wound them around like a hockey stick, and so on and so forth. Slightly slanted, with one end overlapping the other end, as you can see. As you can see here, so it laps over, and just provides that extra cover and protection for the wires. And that's about it, really. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hopefully catch up with you later. Goodbye. Thanks for listening. Bye.